Imagine if you have been getting 500 watch hours daily.
I'm going to show you guys this with proof for you to actually see that this works. So let's go to my YouTube analytics. So let's click on this 2.2k watch hours. So when you come here, you can see how the graph is. I've gotten over 774.2k views, over 2.2k watch hours, and 3.2k subscribers. So when you come here, you have seen how this graph is. Have you seen the spike up here? Have you seen the spike? So if I click on here, I'll be able to see the watch hours I got each day. 24th, I got just 95.9 watch hour. If you come here on 25, I've gotten 484.7 watch hour. So if you come here on 26, I've gotten close to 600 watch hours. If I tell you that you can get over 500 watch hours in a day, I'm not joking. You can see it yourself.
That means in less than 2 weeks, you will definitely hit that goal of your first 4,000 watch hours to actually get your channel monetized. So here in this video, I'm going to show you the newest trick that I actually tried on this channel that makes me to get over 500 watch hours in a day. This isn't a clickbait, it's something I've really tried and it has worked for me, so I decided to share with you. So if you are out there struggling with how you can actually get your watch hours, this video is for you.
Come right here to your YouTube studio and click on the live button. So when you click on that, the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you name your live stream, right? So you click here to cancel this one that comes immediately you want to go on live. And I've been using a very particular title for my live stream, so I'm still going to use that, but I would not really say that's the main thing, but it still actually matter. So you click here to change the visibility to public, and click here to select if your channel is made for kid or not, and just hit on that live button to go on live. So boom, we are live. So after being on live here, another thing you need to do is just to click to add a poll, because this helps to keep your viewers engaged. You can actually share anything like where are you watching from, all those stuff like that. Have you liked and subscribed to my YouTube channel? So it all depends on the kind of poll you are going to use for the live stream. This is just to make sure that they interact. So after setting your poll, you go ahead and click on the plus sign again to set up your question and answer. So this is just like a call to action. So what I just do is just like, please double tap to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So I click on done. So when I click on done, I click on start question and answer. So what I just need to do is just to drag it to where I really want it to be without blocking my face or anything. So you come here to click on where green screen is. So when you click on that, automatically you're going to change the background of your live stream. So I have several pictures I've been using for all my live stream, right? So something you actually need to know that is to grab your viewers attention, because you are not showing yourself there. So you just need an attention grabbing picture, and you can be changing them often. So what I did is that I make sure I save those 3 pictures as my recent file, so that I could get to be changing it often. So this is it that our live has started. Sometimes I do show myself in the first 15 to 20 seconds of the live stream before I actually zoom off, so that YouTube will see that this is a real person channel and all of those stuff like that. So within a little period of time, people will actually start joining. As you all can see, one person has joined the live. Okay, so can you just see the spark in the numbers of the viewers? Can you see within 12 minutes, this is how the keeps on jumping in the live stream. Some will jump and go. You can see the engagement and all of those stuff like that. Within 20 minutes, we got over 200 and something person watching this very particular live stream.
So guys, now that you know how you can use this trick to get your 4,000 watch hours, please don't forget to come here and drop me a comment if you have really tried out this and it has worked for you, because it will be my pleasure. All right, bye guys, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and also turn the bell notification so as to always get notified each time I bring in a new video. Bye.